What are you doing?
Delivering wood.
Brother Hubbard's cupboard is getting a little bare.
Getting bare, but the kiln still has 2 cords to
It's
come
true.
out.
It's true.
All right.
All right. Okay, so we got a half-quart delivery of kiln dried to make here in a few minutes up on South River Lake Road. And what are we going to do next time we get back? We're going to take some of our house supply, bring that into the house so we can have something to burn this week. This is the campfire grade stuff that we split off. All the rotten punky stuff and wonky bits that don't stack very well. So this is the stuff that we burn in the house. Ready to go?
Yeah.
That's done.
That's done. One thing done today.
Now we'll go get our wood and fill up the house.
Yeah.
Okay. First we gotta haul out the car. We do a little bit of role reversal today. I'm normally the one that drives the skid steer into the house, but today it's Gina's turn. So the only thing we got to watch out for is this door because it's a tight fit. See her when she comes in. Guess she could have come a little bit slower, but hey, Speedy Gonzalez.
Why was I going too fast?
Coming into the house, yeah, a little bit.
But it fits.
Oh, yeah,
Barely, but it does.
it's close.
It's close.
Yeah.
All right.
Let me know when you're done, eh?
Okay, I'm almost there.
when you're doing firewood, there's always some kind of cleaning involved somewhere, some way, somehow.
Am I sweeping too fast?
Yes, okay. I dare not say not fast enough,
No, you better not say that.
because I'll end up sweeping.
Well, you gotta watch for a while first so you'll know how to do it.
I think I've swept before.
Oh, okay. You know where the dustpan's over there.
Is it? Want some help?
Yes, please.
I just wanted to photograph the evidence that I know how to use a dustpan besides just a broom. I mean, anybody can use a broom. That should help the snowbank melt a little quicker, maybe. All right, let's get the truck back in and then go for some lunch. So, another new customer, another happy customer, and he said he's going to place an order with us in the spring for next year's supply. Young fella, fisherman, fishes lobster down on the Atlantic coast, down by Sheet Harbor. He's eager to get back as soon as the season opens. All right, another day. I can hear your stomach grumbling from here.